Hello everybody, how are you doing? It's me, Nayeem. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you a bit about the nature of New Zealand. In New Zealand, nature's beauty is a gentle caress, a soothing balm for the soul. New Zealand, a land of breathtaking beauty where nature's canvas paints a masterpiece of wonder. Majestic mountains pierce the sky, their rugged peaks shrouded in misty veils, while persistent forests whisper secrets to the sea. Lush forests, adorned with ferns and vines, dance in the gentle breeze, their ancient whispers echoing through time. Rotorous geothermal heartbeats with fiery passion as geysers erupt and hot springs simmer, infusing the air with mystic steam. Abel Tasman's golden beaches, kissed by crystal waves, invite serenity and peace. Milford Sound's towering cliffs, veiled in waterfalls, create a symphony of sound and sight. New Zealand is a must-visit destination because of breathtaking landscapes, from fjords to beaches, mountains to forests, and this diverse scenery will leave you awestruck. Unique wildlife, home to kiwis, penguins and seals, and this wildlife is fascinating and unique. Adventure activities, hike, ski, surf or bungee jump, and these adrenaline pumping activities are world renowned. Alright, let's not forget about the rich culture of New Zealand. This country has a very good culture. Experience the Maori heritage, visit museums, and enjoy local cuisine. Friendly locals, Kiwis are known for their warmth and hospitality. Alright, I hope that now you guys are satisfied after knowing about the nature of New Zealand. This country is actually very beautiful. I would say that everyone can visit once in a life to this country because this country is actually really good. And so I have got some pictures to share with you guys, and I really hope that you guys are going to like those pictures. These pictures are definitely going to mesmerize you. Alright everyone, I would like to thank you so much for watching this entire video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you later. Bye.